My name is Alex Patoni. I'm a research fellow at the Oxford Institute for Energy Studies, and I'm also fellow at the Research Institute for Sustainability in Potsdam. This conference is bringing the two institutes together. We're talking about the production of green and blue hydrogen and also the main challenges associated with both.
One way to characterize the challenges facing the scale-up of green hydrogen production is to take a close look at the project types we'll see now and in the future. This helps us understand which factors related to maturity, flexibility, cost, and integration are most important now and also over time. While integration and flexibility are particular challenges in early projects, we think that challenges related to cost, primarily driven by efficiency and capex, will dominate the future challenges of green hydrogen production in large-scale projects.
One of the key takeaways, or one of the key encouragements, was that Germany in the past had been very much against carbon capture and storage and blue hydrogen, but now there are signs that that's changing, and so I think that fits actually across Europe with increasing realism around the challenges of the energy transition and the fact we need all solutions in order to meet the very ambitious targets. And make no mistake, net zero by 2045 is a very ambitious target, and that's been aired today in the discussions, and I think it's been a very insightful day to get everyone together and share those views openly and frankly.
The workshop showed very well what the unique challenges of various electrolyzer technologies are, but also what the unique and specific advantages of these technologies are. And the conclusion is that it is very clear that we need to support and develop a variety of different electrolyzer technologies to meet our decarbonization and hydrogen goals. It was also clear from the discussion that carbon capture and storage technologies will play a role in decarbonization of energy and industry. What was less clear is whether or not the use of carbon capture and storage technologies in the hydrogen sector for the production of so-called blue hydrogen from natural gas is an appropriate and useful application of those technologies. And I think we really need to reframe the discussion on that subject to a discussion on carbon capture and storage technologies and their most efficient use for decarbonization, and stop making it a discussion narrowly on their use in the hydrogen sector.